People have been thinking about skin color since ancient times. Many people want a fair skin. Due to sunburn, getting wet in the rain, physical illness, working in the kitchen for a long time, etc., the skin loses its natural radiance due to various reasons. Today we will show you how to whiten your skin in a natural way. First, take 2 tablespoons potato juice in a bowl. It can lighten and brighten the skin. It is known to retain moisture in the skin. They are known to reduce skin inflammation that causes acne. Because potatoes are a rich source of iron, vitamin C, and riboflavin, they can tighten the pores and also provide anti-aging benefits. Add 1 tablespoon yogurt. Yogurt, whether the Greek or regular kind, also contains lactic acid, an organic compound that aids in diminishing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines by tightening and shrinking pores. It also has exfoliating properties that transform your skin from being dry and dull to lighter and softer. Add some rose waters. The anti-inflammatory properties of rose water can help reduce skin redness, prevent additional swelling, and soothe the discomfort of acne. According to research from 2011, rose water is rich in vitamin C and phenolics, making it a natural, anti-inflammatory option for inflamed acne. Mix well. Apply this mixture all over the skin and let it rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, clean it off with waters. Now you can see my skin is so much fair, glowing and bright. To get best result, apply this regularly.
Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, please subscribe our channel.